welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, please subscribe and join the family. Everybody, I'm sure, pretty much needs a deep treatment, deep conditioner. So since the shelves are bare at the store, we're gonna make our own today. And everything you will need, I will link down below in the description box. Without further ado, we are gonna get started. So let's go. For this mask, you will need mayonnaise, conditioner of your choice, peppermint oil, egg, avocado, honey, banana, and in the back we have aloe vera and argan oil. Go ahead and add our banana.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober. Always.
Okay, so far we have the mayonnaise and the egg here, and I literally just chopped up my banana. If you do not blend up this banana, it will stay in your hair for days. So you want to blend it really good so you don't have chunks when you put on your deep treatment. So here I'm adding about 20 to 25 drops of peppermint oil. For this part, you can use whatever oil that you prefer. I like the smell of peppermint oil, so that was my choice.
Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober. Always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you.
Okay, so now that everything is chopped and mixed together, so here we have the avocado, the conditioner, the honey, the egg, the oil, the banana. No, banana's here. All right. Okay. So we're just gonna pour this inside of the blender. You blending it very smooth is the way to go. So we're gonna keep blending. I would say blend until you see no chunks. You want to make sure it's like really smooth.
I wish that our love was just like in the movies with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle.
This is the consistency.
And I guess that's okay.
If you are one of those people like me who went to the store trying to buy some hair products, you can make your own deep conditioners, hair mask, because a lot of people probably have like dry, brittle hair because you can't get it done. You're so used to getting it done. So you kind of just need that extra boost to just give your hair some life, some oomph. So we are gonna make our own hair mask. It's super easy. I'll let you know everything that you need, and I will also link everything down below in the description. So I'm gonna take it out of this bun Please, y'all, do not judge me. Just beware. Okay, so I'm gonna take it down. Okay, so this is what my hair will look like now. So obviously, before I do the deep treatment, you want to do it on clean, freshly washed hair. So I'm gonna wash my hair and detangle, and then I will come back on and show you guys, and then we'll start putting on the mask together, and we'll go from there. All right. Okay, so I have the mixture here. I actually made the mixture yesterday. It smells so good. Like, it literally smells like something you would buy at the store. It smells so good, guys. And the consistency is still the same. Still the same. So my hair is freshly washed now. So about 20 minutes later, it took me about 20 minutes to detangle my hair after like 3 weeks of not detangling. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on. I'll be right back. So I recommend that you wear a shirt that you kind of don't care about, because it's gonna get messy. It will come clean, but I obviously don't wear like a nice blouse that you just bought from Nordstrom's or something. So just wear a, a regular, just kick around t-shirt, and then I have a towel that I'm gonna put over my shoulders. I am gonna go get a hair tie and a brush or a comb. Be right back. Okay, so I got a comb, I have a hair tie, and I'm just gonna start. I'm just gonna scoop a little bit out, and you just.
I wish that our love was just like in the movies, with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. No. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. No. Promise you won't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
This actually feels so good on my scalp. It's cold because it was sitting in the refrigerator, and it feels so good on my scalp.
Emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah.
You'll, you know, let that sit for, I would say, at least 30 minutes and then wash it out. You can do even longer. You could do an hour, but I would do at least 30 minutes. I am gonna use just some Target saran wrap.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Sunset, watch the sunset come, yeah, yeah. All the nights back in my head, my motels, girl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that young.
Okay, so it has been about 20 minutes. I have a doctor's appointment, and so unfortunately I would leave my mask on longer, but I have to rinse it out so we can get to the appointment. But I'm gonna rinse it out and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like when it is rinsed all out and no product at all. So usually what I'll do is I will not put any product on my hair after I rinse it out, and I'll just put like a little bit of oil just to moisturize, and then no product, and I'll let my hair breathe for like the rest of the day, and then tomorrow I will style as normal. Okay, so I am back home from my doctor's appointment, and as you guys know, before I left, I rinsed out all of the deep treatment. So currently my hair is 100% dry. I am happy with the results. Highly recommend everybody to do this mask. Please do the mask and comment down below how your results came out. Just let me know if you liked it, if it moisturized your hair, if it defrizzed your hair, if it, you know, left it smooth and bouncy. Let me know, because I'm super curious how everybody's results will turn out. Just make sure you come back to the video and comment so I can read everybody's comments. Also, if you have any products that you have tried and that you really liked, link them down below, or just, you know, comment them down below, and I will love to try them and do a video about it. So that is it for this video. Please, you know, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so every time I post, you will get notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.